What happens if you do 50 push-ups every day? Day 1, reality check. Your chest and triceps hit failure by rep 30. Your arms shake and your form breaks as you struggle against gravity. Tomorrow, your upper body will feel like it's made of lead. Day 10, the soreness fades. Your central nervous system is building new pathways, making the movement more efficient. You're no longer just pushing the floor, you're controlling the descent. The burn in your muscles is now a signal of growth, not pain. Day 20, biological transformation. Your shoulders look broader and your pectorals are carving out sharp definition. Your resting testosterone levels spike, fueling your confidence and daily energy. It's no longer a workout, it's a non-negotiable part of your identity. Day 30, 50 reps feels like a warm-up. You've forged a foundation of functional strength and unbreakable discipline. You've proven that consistency beats intensity every single time. You didn't just build muscle, you upgraded your biological hardware. Follow for the next level.